This is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2024 Subaru Crosstrek Premium. In the front, you will find this Subaru well equipped with high-intensity headlights with LED daytime running lights accompanied by fog lights integrated into the lower bumper. On the outside of this Crosstrek, you will have nice features like turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap with passive door entry and roof racks. Looking inside, you will be met with a two-tone theme here at black and gray with nice elements like leather and gray stitching. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this Subaru Crosstrek. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. Here you can see all the tires are 10/30 seconds all the way around, and the brake pads are good to go. Along with everything else, it is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do this so you don't have to put money into the wearable shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they're going to enjoy nice features like USB and USB-C charging, all-weather floor mats, and a fold-down cup holder and armrest. Making our way to the rear of this Crosstrek, you will see the nice contour designs here on the tail lights, nice bright LED lights, and of course you have your high-definition rear camera as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the cargo space. And looking into the cargo area, you will see plenty of space back here, but if you do need more space, those seats will fold flat on an 80-20 split. As you can see, the factory carpets are included, and you will have all-weather floor mats. And of course, you do have the Crosstrek cargo mat here, and underneath you will have your full-size spare, jack, and accessories. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as power windows, power door locks, and mirror adjustments. And here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic. Upon startup, you can see just over 30,000 miles here on the Subaru Crosstrek. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, to the left you'll have some media options. And of course, you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free with smartphone integration. And that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And if we look to the rear of the steering wheel, you will have sport paddle shifters as well. And to the right, you will have your steering assist and your adaptive cruise control settings. And bringing our attention to our generously sized vertical display here, as you can see, it is equipped with your high definition rear camera with your guidance lines. And as far as audio is concerned, you do have your standard FM, AM, XM radio with Bluetooth connectivity with smartphone integration. And like I said before, that will include your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You will have a few hard buttons here on either side of the display for your climate. So you do have dual automatic climate control right at the touch of your fingertips, and you have some fan speed options down below within your touchscreen display. You'll have some nice storage down here with some ambient lighting, and you also have an auxiliary for alternative audio, a USB and a USB-C. Simple shifter setup here with your electronic parking brake, and you even have a 12-volt output here, 2 beverage holders, and let me turn the camera around. It ends up in a nice deep storage console here right in the middle. And of course you do have your Subaru EyeSight, all your SOS services, and your bright map lights. And under the hood you will have your 2-liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated high output engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Crosstrek has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania State inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Crosstrek. It is still a pre-owned vehicle, even though it's a 2024. It's super clean here. We're going to go over some of the stuff here in the front. Minimal stone chipping. You will have a few minor cosmetic blemishes. Nice dark gray metallic color here. Did want to mention your headlights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation. Your fog lights are clear as well. Some minor blemishes here on the front bumper, on the bottom bumper fascia. As you can see here, some scuffs. And making our way to the wheel and tire setup. Nice wheel package here. You have the 2-tone black and silver machined alloy wheel. No curb rash on those, I should say. Minimal cosmetic blemishes here on the mirror cap. You will have a small scuff here, as you can see. Go ahead and zoom up on that. Looking behind the door handles, you will have some scuffs behind the passenger door handle here. Your door trim on the outer door is in pretty good shape, no fading, no discoloration. You will have some minor cosmetic blemishes. Looking inside, This is your passenger side door card we're on here. Trim pieces are in good shape, no discoloration on the fabric here. You are going to have some blemishes here on your glove box, as you can see. Then your premium cloth seats are in good shape, really durable. Headliner checks out. No rip, stains, tears, or odors or anything like that. No smoke odor, super important here at All Things Automotive. I think I did see a blemish here on the headliner. I do see one discoloration spot up there by the light. Nearing the passenger side rear here, that was just a fingerprint. I do apologize for that. Passenger side door card on the rear, you are going to have some scuffs here on the plastic pieces and around the door handle here, as you can see. Some scratching, not perfect. A little bit of discoloration here on the premium cloth seats. And you are going to have some blemishes here on the back of the seat as well. Otherwise, very good shape. Making our way around to the rear here. Tail lights are nice and clean. Really sharp contour lines. I really like the design in 2024. All the way down to the bottom bumper, this rear bumper applique. You are going to have some blemishes there, some scuffs. You are embossed design here, still in good shape, no fading, no discoloration. Quick look here in the cargo area. Still have your carpet mats here from the factory and your cargo mat here from Crosstrek. I did want to mention you are going to have some blemishes here on the back side of the lift gate here, as you can see. Not perfect. Let's go ahead and close that up and continue on to the driver's side. No dents or dings. We like to take care of that before these vehicles do hit the lot. I do see a blemish here on the rear driver's side door. Looks like a touch-up spot there. No curb rash on that wheel. All your moldings around the wheel and tire setup. I do see a blemish there. Looks like a chunk out of there. All the way down to the bottom here. There's a scratch there. And behind the driver door handle, you'll have some scuffs and some small cosmetic blemishes up here, but your driver door mirror cap is in good shape all in all. Really nice, clean 24 Subaru Crosstrek Premium here at All Things Automotive. There's a few ways you can reach us. You can call 717-485-4224, hit option 1 for sales. Additionally, you can go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. It only takes 10 minutes of your time. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Thanks. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe.